How to buy and sell currency on Revolut app and make a small profit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell currency using the Revolut app. If you've never used Revolut before, don't worry. I'll walk you through step by step in the simplest way possible. What is Revolut? Revolut is a super popular mobile app that lets you manage money, exchange currencies, spend abroad, and even invest, all from your phone. You can hold multiple currencies and switch between them at great exchange rates. How to buy and sell currency. So let's say you're going on holiday or want to save some money in euros or dollars. Here's how you can exchange your money in the app. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and go to the Home tab. Step 2. Tap on Exchange or Currency Exchange. The name might vary slightly. Step 3. Choose the currency you want to sell. For example, GBP. Step 4. Choose the currency you want to buy, like EUR or USD. Step 5. Type in the amount. Revolut will show you the exchange rate, any fees, and how much you'll get.
Step 6. Tap Exchange, and it's done.
What fees does Revolut charge? Now let's talk about fees, because nobody likes surprises. If you're on the free standard plan, you can exchange up to £1,000 a month during weekdays with no extra fees. After that, Revolut charges you a 1% fee. On the Plus plan, you get $3,000 per month free. After that, it's just a 0.5% fee. Premium or Metal plans, you get unlimited currency exchanges with no extra fees. Important tip: if you exchange currency on the weekend, Revolut adds a small weekend markup of 1% on the free plan and 0.5% on Plus. Hidden cost? The spread. Even with no extra fees, Revolut still includes a small spread in the exchange rate, usually around 0.3% to 0.6%. It's not much, but it's good to be aware. Final tips. My quick tips. Always exchange Monday to Friday during the day to avoid weekend fees. Stay within your monthly limit to avoid extra charges. Upgrade your plan if you exchange a lot, it can save you money. Real example. How I made a small profit using Revolut. Now, let me show you a real-life example of how I used the Revolut app to make a small but sweet profit just by exchanging currencies. On May 1st, 2025, I started with $300 split into 3 parts, $100 worth of euros, pounds, and Japanese yen. Here's what happened. I exchanged $100 into euros, got 88.53, another $100 into pounds, got 75.05, and 100 into yen, got Y14.29. Then I waited until June 24th, nearly 2 months. On that day, I converted it all back into US dollars using the Revolut app. Results? My euros turned into $102.67, plus 2.67. Pounds turned into $101.52, plus $1.52. Yen gave me $100.49, plus $49. Total return, $304.68 from $300 invested. That's a profit of $4.68, or around 1.56% gain. Not bad for a simple low-risk exchange strategy. This shows you that with a bit of timing and patience, you can use Revolut not just for travel money, but to make small, smart profits too. Remember, currency markets go up and down. Always check trends and don't expect big profits instantly. But it's a great tool to get started. That's it! Now you know exactly how to buy and sell currency on Revolut. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more finance tips, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy exchanging. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored by Revolut.